Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I hope everybody is doing good. And this video is going to be all about reviewing my i20 IVT, which is fully automatic, and the manufacturing year is 2023. It's been a year now, and I will review. Especially, there are a few questions that I have received in my comment box in the video that I uploaded when I bought this i20 last year. So now it's been a year, and first thing first, I will tell you all that I have already driven this car for 32,000 kilometers. So you can guess my average, uh, driving kilometers for this car. So in a year, I have completed 32,000 kilometers, and now my all free service has finished. Now whenever I'll go for the next service of this car, it will be chargeable. So there are three services that we get for free, and afterwards all the rest of them are chargeable. I think this is going to be the right time to review this car, and as I have received lots of questions, especially about the mileage and the performance overall of this car. So let's the mileage of this car that I am getting at present is 19 to 20 kilometers per liter. That is the average that I get. And if I'm driving it, in a national highway, maybe I can get more. That's what I have observed about this car while driving in last 1 year. So the car is performing well, and for people like who were asking me that the mileage isn't good, the one that I said is not in, is not, they are not getting that. So I would say to them that, once you get your car serviced for like once or twice, maybe after the third service, you might definitely get the improvement in mileage. So that's what I have experienced. This is my personal opinion about this car's mileage. So as compared to other cars in the market, I think I'm getting good mileage, so I'm happy about it. Then second thing, the question that I got was about the color of this car. Like I already mentioned in my video when I bought this car, the color of this car is Starry Night, in which you will observe that, and in the daytime it looks a bit bluish, dark bluish. However, at night it looks black. So it is, the mixture of blue and black. So for me, like, I was looking for a black in color, but unfortunately we do not get black color in i20, so I chose this color. So that was the reason I chose Starry Night, because I wanted that black look in my car. And I'm happy about the color of this car, and it looks great. Anybody would ask that what is the disadvantage, or what's something that you don't like about this car. Is the only one thing that I don't like is the ground clearance, because sometimes when I drive off-roading, and when I'm driving somewhere where the roads are not as good as, like in highways, you might get ground clearance issues, because this car has a ground clearance of, I think, I'm not sure about the value of the ground clearance exactly, but this car doesn't have that much of ground clearance like Scorpio or Venue or Creator or Brezza. And in this segment, this car has everything that I want. The comfort, the first thing that I get is great. I'm liking it. And only the ground clearance that sometimes upsets me. Otherwise, rest everything is fine. And in this 1 year, I have not yet gone for the Teflon coating or PP coating in this car, because I think it is not required. Maybe if you have extra money or you want to spend extra on this car, you can go for it. I have heard from people saying that if we go for Teflon or PP coating all over the body of this car, then the scratch we get will be less. The amount of scratch visibility will become less. So I don't know, I'm not sure, but if I would suggest, I would say you can definitely go for polishing after every wash. Maybe that will keep your car maintained. And for me, I'm not going to do anything like that. Sometimes occasionally I go for polish, like when I give this car for servicing. Otherwise, I think it is not required. You can see the speedometer and the mileage as well, 20.1 kilometer per liter. Overall, this car is performing very well. And about the pickup, I'm happy with the pickup as well, because most of the time I am driving, so for me this pickup is enough for me. The car has been performing well so far, so good. So I hope this resolves the questions that I got. And there are so many experts who are already there and they are uploading their videos on YouTube. I will also suggest, if you want more reviews in detail, do comment in my YouTube video, and I will definitely try to answer all of them. So in this video today, I have answered 2-3 things. First thing was about the mileage, second was about the color, third was about the Teflon and PP coating on this car's body, and rest everything is good about this car. So I'll not say much, and that's it for this video, and thank you for watching. Bye. I hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.